Alright, so at the end of my last bad jumping video, you could hear this thing clicking away like crazy, and I'm about to pull the rear diff just to see what it looks like here, and I've got the replacement. So, oh, there it is. That's what caused the noise. Broke the tooth off. This is the heavy duty stuff. I'll take it as a bad landing. My jumping sucks, so no big deal. I'll fix it here. I will keep an eye on Kershaw, because I know they have their heavy duty ones, and maybe it's time to give them a try. Turned out to be a little bigger than I thought here. Nothing broken wise, but these bearings here have never been changed. I'm into it. Front one let go, so there's no sense in not changing these. So I'm gonna get these bearings changed, and then I'll get it all back together here. That's what the bearing looked like after all my runs and everything. That's not too bad looking, considering. Little thing I've noticed on the XMaxx that I really like is that they put these stoppers in the lower bulkheads to prevent you from putting the differential in backwards, because I think every one of us has done that at least once. Okay, repairs were finished this morning. Let's see what we got. What is that sound?